Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make omega-3 fish oil at home. We'll guide you through each step, from selecting the right fish to purifying and storing your homemade oil. Making your own fish oil ensures freshness and purity, allowing you to enjoy the full health benefits of these essential fatty acids. It's a straightforward process that can be done with common kitchen tools, providing a cost-effective alternative to store-bought supplements. The first crucial step is selecting high-quality fish. Opt for fatty, wild-caught varieties such as salmon, mackerel, or sardines, as these are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Aim for about 1 to 2 pounds of fish for a good yield. Thoroughly clean the fish, removing all scales and internal organs. Then, cut the fish into small, uniform pieces, roughly 1 inch by 1 inch, to facilitate efficient oil extraction during cooking. Now, let's extract the oil. Place your prepared fish pieces into a pot and add just enough water to cover them. Bring the water to a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil, and cook for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. As the fish cooks, the oil will begin to separate and rise to the surface. Carefully skim this oil layer off using a spoon or ladle, collecting it in a separate heat-proof container. After extraction, purification is key for a high-quality product. Allow the collected oil to cool completely, then refrigerate it for several hours or overnight. This process will cause any remaining water to separate and settle at the bottom, while the pure fish oil solidifies on top. Carefully remove the solid oil, discarding the water. Store your purified omega-3 fish oil in a dark, airtight glass bottle in the refrigerator for up to 2 to 3 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.